Marty?
I want to be a circus horse.
We could paint you white and then paint you pink.
Awesome.
The zebra, with its striking black and white stripes, is one of the most iconic animals of the African savanna. These equids belong to the genus Equus, which also includes horses and donkeys. Known for their distinctive appearance and social behaviors, zebras have captured the fascination of humans for centuries. From their first documented sightings to their behavior in the wild and captivity, zebras continue to intrigue researchers and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The first documented sighting of a zebra by Europeans occurred during the expeditions to Africa in the late 15th century. Portuguese explorers were among the first to encounter these captivating creatures, marveling at their unique stripes and horse-like appearance. In the wild, zebras are found primarily in sub-Saharan Africa, roaming the grasslands and open woodlands in herds. Estimates of their population vary, but it is believed that there are several 100,000 zebras in the wild. In captivity, zebras are found in zoos and wildlife parks around the world, providing visitors with the opportunity to observe and learn about these fascinating animals up close. Zebras are medium-sized ungulates, with adults typically standing between 4 and 5 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing up to 700 pounds. Their most distinctive feature is, of course, their black and white stripes, which are unique to each individual and serve as a form of camouflage against predators. Underneath their striped coat, zebras have black skin, which helps them regulate their body temperature in the hot African sun. Zebras belong to the horse family, Equidae, and are closely related to horses and donkeys. Despite their wild appearance, zebras are social animals that live in herds, typically led by a dominant male known as a stallion. The stripes on a zebra's coat are believed to help confuse predators by creating an optical illusion, making it difficult for predators to single out an individual zebra from the herd. Zebras have excellent hearing and eyesight, allowing them to detect danger from a distance and quickly flee if necessary. Despite their abundance in the wild, zebras face threats from habitat loss, poaching, and competition with livestock for grazing land.
Another one.